Hi there, this is Lisa Becerra, professional and registered aromatherapist with BCD Aromatherapy LLC. We are bringing you Lesson 1, Basics and Beyond in our Essential Education series, or unit, I should say. These are going to be a series of a few slide presentation. I've broken down your document that you have, which talks about this lesson, right? I've broken it down to slides, and then I'm just doing this quick little video presentation for you as I'm talking about each slide, so you can do this in bite-sized pieces, or you can do this all in one sitting, however works for you. But this way you don't have to pause the video, keep it open, or take note as to where you've left off. Okay. And also I know in the past I've tried to just do like a whole big video talking about things and explaining things, and my husband has told me it is too long, it is too much information, and you're going to lose people. So hopefully this way it's easier and you can understand it a little bit better, and again do it at your own pace. So definitely would love feedback as we continue sending these out to my clients and making it available to potential clients or just people who are interested out there, so we can improve upon the product, right, and make sure that we are serving your needs. So in this lesson, there's a few things that I hope that you take away from it. One is that you're able to safely discern how to use aromatics that you have around you. Two, that you understand what exactly is an aromatic, okay, and that you understand more about where aromatherapy came from, okay, and the potency of this therapeutic modality. And the third thing I want you, and where we'll kind of focus towards the end, and what I would call the fun part, right, is talking to you about aromatic genres. Okay, so in my education, there's lots of different ways that we can categorize or subcategorize the aromatics that we use, right? But we're going to look today, or at least in this lesson, about categorizing them through aromatic genres. Okay, so we'll be looking at the energetic, the mental, and emotional aspects of various aromatics as they pertain to the part of the plant that they were obtained from. Okay, so that is a super fun way to look at aromatics in a very accessible way. As I know a lot of my clients, when they're using them on their own, it's to diffuse them and to just have the scent in their rooms, at their places of business, in personal inhalers, or passive diffusing methods in order to get that mental, emotional, and energetic benefit. So I hope you'll get a lot out of this. Please make sure that you're writing down notes. Every page has a section for you to go ahead and write down the notes that you have. Hopefully I've given you all enough room for that. And then also be sure to write down questions that you have as well. I want to make sure that we're answering them, as this is the first lesson. I'm sure I'm not going to be able to cover a lot of things. So hopefully your questions will be answered in future lessons, in future units. But in the meantime, I want to make sure that if you have a question that you really need an answer to, because we want you to be able to use your aromatics safely and effectively, that you reach out to us at the end once you're done with taking this lesson and you let us know. Okay, so there's going to be space in between each of these videos to ask questions on that specific section. And then at the end, there's going to be a whole series of questions for you to go ahead and answer, so we can tell you more about your aromatic genres that you relate and resonate most with, which is going to be really fun, and I hope you guys get a lot out of that. Okay, so go ahead and start the next video when you're ready.